We're making a movie. We're making a movie, all right. It's a calamity movie. I can't even talk. My face is frozen. I was out shoveling the deck and whatnot, letting the car warm up. Okay, we got her in four-wheel drive. And I'm gonna try to punch through this. Look at that. Would you look at what I'm dealing with? I'm gonna wreck my windshield wipers. I can't see. This is not safe. I'm going to attempt to plow through this. Look at that, everybody. Look at that. Look at that, everybody. Nobody coming that way. Nobody coming there. There better not be a punch it. Punch it. You'll never make it if you don't punch it. Okay. Ooh, I went a little off the road. Ooh, we need a snow plow. That's what we need, a snow plow. We need a snow plow. Do not have one. People better not be coming. Oh, thank goodness the road is plowed.